Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add an image to your project in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, the main menu of Adobe After Effects, and you'll be greeted by this menu for your composition where you can get started with naming your composition, editing all the settings that you need, selecting your quality and so on. So go ahead and select all the info that you need. After that click OK, and now we can get started with our composition and creating our project. So guys, let's say you already have a project, you can either go ahead and open up one, or you can go ahead and create a new one if you do not already have one. And after starting your project, now it's going to appear right here and we can get started with adding our image. So guys, to add an image to your project is very easy, and all we have to do guys is just go right here into the upper left corner, click on the file option, and in this new drop down menu that appears we want to find the import button. So go ahead and find import guys, and now next to import you'll see after putting your mouse we have multiple options, and one of them is called file and multiple files. So you want to go ahead and use the options right here to start adding images to your projects. Click file and then find the image on your PC and open it up, and after that it will automatically be added to your Adobe After Effects program right here. It's going to appear under your project, and now you can get started using your image for your effects, editing, and so on, anything you might need. If you want guys, you can just go directly to your folder where your image is, and you can drag and drop it into the program right here. It's going to be the same method. It's going to appear right here, and after that you can get started with using it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.